Lauren, on a dark, stormy night almost 29 years ago, you weren't quite sure you were ready to introduce yourself to the world. But when you did, the entire world quite simply and immediately became a brighter and better place. A place with more light, more hope, more love, and more dreams. Like your mom, you've been making the world a better place every day of your life, and we're so very proud of you and the woman you have become. Your mom and I are beyond thrilled that you have found your person, your one true love, your soulmate. And we're absolutely certain you will be a great wife and mother. After all, you've learned from the best. Kris, you've worked your entire professional life to make the world a better place, to repair the world with deeds of tikkun olam. And I know Ben and Eris are immensely proud of you, as are we. But the light in Kris's eyes didn't shine nearly as bright until he found Lauren. Or at least until Gail really found Lauren for him.
For the best friends and family a man can ask for, thank you all very much for being here on my wedding day. It means the world to me. So let's have some fun tonight.
I saw it happen though, in the blink of an eye. You were smitten. You were done. And I know exactly how that feels. What I like most about Kris, other than I'm finally getting a son, I like that he is strong. I'm talking about his strength of character. Kris, your integrity as an individual is important to me and Gail because that trait in particular will have an overriding influence on you and our daughter's happiness. There is nothing more important to this father and this mother than knowing their daughter is being cared for with that kind of love and integrity.
Oh. You are beautiful. Look at you.
Is this insane?
Getting married.
I'm getting married.
And I'm crying. Wow.
Lauren's girl. Come around. Yes, you can come do hugs. Let's do it. Thank you. I'm really missing. I love you. Hey, turn around.
Wow. You look absolutely incredible.
Thank
I love
you.
your dress. It's
I
beautiful.
hoped you would love it.
It's elegant.
Yeah, thank
It's
you.
incredible.
Oh, I'm so.
And I know what you would look like with your makeup in your hair.
Oh, you already knew. I
already
wanted to
knew.
look like me.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you, baby.
I love you so much.
I love you so much.
You ready for tonight? Wow. I'm the luckiest man in the world.
No, I'm the luckiest.
Am I gonna mess your makeup? if I
Maybe,
kiss
but
you?
I love you so much.
Lauren and Kris, welcome finally to this beautiful moment in your lives. We are all here, this room filled. There is so much love that is just in the atmosphere to be able to share this moment in your lives. We've come to celebrate with you, to rejoice in the loving spirit that the two of you create when you are together. We hope that in the home you continue to build, that you will always know great peace and joy, but also courage to affirm one another and in gentle trust to unfold to each other your deepest selves, your strengths, your vulnerabilities, your yearning, your secret pains, and of course, your most tender love. As the years unfold before you, you will be granted a generous measure of blessing. May there be moments, truly, just like this one, when all who are touched by your life are filled with a sense of hope. of what relationships and what beauty and love can be. May the years ahead be kind to you. May the sweet goodness that you already know grow deeper and stronger with the passing of time. Certainly fitting as we come to this beautiful moment of new blessing and potential that we join together in words in which we offer our gratitude to God for giving us life and sustaining us, bringing us to moments like this that sort of take our breath away.
Lauren, you're the most special person in the world to me, and everything in me recognizes you as my home. Every day, I fall more deeply in love with you, and I want you to know how lucky I feel to have found someone willing to face life's challenges together.
Kris, I love you with my whole entire heart. I love your warm smile. I love your laugh. I especially love your hugs. I love how confident you are in who you are. I love your huge heart. I love how kind and generous you are. I love the ways you challenge me, most of them, and push me to be a better version of myself.
I'm excited, and I'm honored to be the one you live with, laugh at. And from this day forward, I vow to always be there for you as a supportive and loving partner in any and every scenario.
I love that you inspire me in ways no one else has. I love your fierce passion and unmatched imagination. I love how you make me laugh. I love to watch you dance. I love how safe I feel in your arms. And most of all, I love the way you love me.
I vow to tell you every day how much I love you and how much I appreciate all you do. I vow to continue learning from you and follow the examples of care, patience, and respect that you continuously set. Our family will be my top priority, and I vow to be there with you through all the ups and downs of life.
So thank you. Thank you for showing me it's okay to break the rules, even though I still don't like to do it. Thank you for teaching me to never apologize for who I am. Thank you for showing me there are no dreams too big. Thank you for loving my family the way you do. We all know they love you. Thank you for trusting me with your heart, and thank you for choosing me. In this lifetime and in every other one we get together, I promise to always be your biggest supporter and the best teammate that there is. I promise to always entertain your wild business ideas and encourage your creative spirit. I promise to hug and kiss you every day and always remind you how much I love you. I promise to continue to work on myself to be the best wife and partner you deserve. And I promise to love you with everything in my being forever and ever and ever. Because you are the greatest, and I am so lucky I get to call you mine.
I vow to continue to build upon our trust and be by your side fully and faithfully. I promise to put you first and above all, always. I know that now we're finally here. Our wedding day might seem like the two of us are coming to the end of a certain journey, but the truth is that our journey is only just beginning, and I could not be any happier. Ours will be a future filled with love and laughter. My love for you is beyond what any words can express. You inspire me to be a better person, and you bring me closer to God. I love you more today. I love you more today than yesterday, but not as much as tomorrow, and I promise to love you until the end of time. With this ring,
Be consecrated unto me
as my wife.
as my husband.
You know, the shattering of glass is an ancient ritual. It has been the conclusion to wedding ceremonies for thousands of years, with indeed many interpretations. First of all, certainly a reminder that our history is filled with moments not only of joy but of challenge. It's an invitation of sensitivity and gentility and kindness with which you must always treat and respect and lift up one another. May the shattering of glass never be heard again after this very evening in your lives together. Are you ready? Mazel tov!